Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to take used external internal marine pump that I have, and I'm going to modify it to make it into a pump to siphon water out of my aquarium. I'm going to have to do a water change. I already had the pump around, and that's what I'm gonna do with it right now. So this is what this video is gonna be about. Hope you like, comment, share, subscribe if you want. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate it very much. Alright, so let's get started here. First thing I want to do is I want to square up some of these cuts a little bit here that I made. As I took this PVC pipe and I just kind of hacked it off. I'm going to lower this tripod a bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay. You'll be able to see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm taking tubing cutter, and I actually have a tool that cuts this where you squeeze it and cuts it, but it never cuts it that straight. Never ever. So I'm doing it with this to straighten that up as best I can, because I gotta glue a bit of this PVC together with some joints. This takes time, all takes time. This one's a little bit harder to cut because it's a thicker pipe. It'll cut, it just takes time. This is actually a tubing cutter for copper pipe, but it works on this too. Like I say, I'm trying to square the pipe up as best I can to get a good connection. In turn, hoping that there's no leaks. It's almost through. There we go. That's a lot squarer than what it was. Okay, because that other tool, it's a nice tool, but for some reason, it never wants to cut it square. Now it's pretty square, as you can see. Alright, that's that. For that one, and I need to square this end up too. This is from when I just quickly one day hacked this off because I needed to use it for something else. So I just kind of did a hack job on it, but now I'm gonna square this one up as best I can as well. Okay. I think I can bring that over a bit there. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. I'm trying to square this end up with the tubing cutter. I'm going to square this end up now. Best I can. And then you gotta tighten it a little as you go to get that blade to cut into it. Squaring it up. Yep, squaring her up. There is some effort involved in this. It's like everything. So I could probably just bought a siphon where it's got a ball valve lever or suction. You just squeeze the ball valve and it will suck the water out. I'm going to do this. It should save time because this pump here pumps 2,000, maybe even over 2,000 gallons an hour. This pump. These are strong little pumps. The pump don't weigh much. It's made pretty well. It's very quiet. It has a ceramic shaft, so the pump don't heat up much. Less friction with ceramic shaft than if it was metal. See that again, that one was crooked, and I cut that crappy piece off. Alright, now this here, the threaded end, where it has the threads here, this part's going to screw on here like this. And what I need to do is put some yellow plumber's tape. I like to use the yellow tape. It's got the Teflon on it. It's thicker and it just seems to work a lot better. So I'm going to put some of that on there. What it does in turn, it helps seal the threads when you're putting your fitting on. Make sure I get that on there nice, like that. Okay, it's on the threads now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some, this is aquarium sealant in a black. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of that on here. Like so. Like this. Hopefully this is going to come out now. I hope. Shoot. A little bit dry there. Hopefully she's going to come out, I guess, here. Maybe not. I'm going to have to pause this video for a moment. I think this is completely dry inside. Maybe not. I gotta pause the video for a moment. I apologize. I'll be right back.